हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एनटी अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 62 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो ऑफ फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो की लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे और उसके टाइम स्टाम्प भी मिल जाएंगे। एनटी अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट के सारे पीडीएफ अवेलेबल है, उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर सकते हैं। तो अब यहाँ इस वीडियो में हम सबसे पहले बायो देखेंगे, देन केमिस्ट्री, उसके बाद आएंगे सबसे पहले यहाँ बायो, देन केमिस्ट्री, देन यहाँ पे फिजिक्स आएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ बायो का है, स्मोकिंग इज नॉट एसोसिएटेड विथ इंक्रीज्ड इंसिडेंस ऑफ कैंसर्स इन आंसर बी लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन। कैंसर इज अ डिजीज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय एन अनकंट्रोल्ड डिवीजन ऑफ सेल्स एंड metastasis. Smoking is not associated with an increased incidence of cancer of large intestine or urinary bladder. Smoking can cause lip, throat, and lung cancer. It also causes diseases like emphysema. Question number second. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of the vector PBR 332? तो आंसर हमारा सी होगा। The ampicillin resistance gene has restriction site for BAMH1 and SAL1। ये हमारा जो है वो नॉट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर है, बाकी ए बी और डी सही है। इट हैज़ टू एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंस जीन्स, एम्पिसिलिन रेजिस्टेंस एंड टेट्रासाइक्लिन रेजिस्टेंस। बी इट वाज द फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल क्लोनिंग वेक्टर कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन 1997 बाई बॉलीवर एंड रोड्रिगेज। और डी यहाँ पे है द रिस्ट्रिक्शन साइट फॉर PVU second is present in the replication of plasmid gene. Next, with respect to ABO group, here are four major blood types because this blood group is determined by answer C, three alleles of which two are codominant and the third is recessive. Okay. The function of the largest lymphatic organ in man is, तो spleen is the largest lymphoid organ, act as a hemopoietic tissue. Answer C. The in biochemical phase fixation of carbon dioxide occurs by answer A. Rubisco. Tiger is not a resident in which of the following national park? Answer B. Gir. Cretinism is due to answer D. Hyposecretion of thyroxine in childhood. The given diagram illustrates the presence of answer D. Both amylose and iodine in the solution. Next. मैच द फॉलोइंग एंड चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। आंसर ए का सेकेंड यानी यहाँ पे लाइकिन और उसके हैबिटेट के बारे में है। ए का सेकेंड यानी ग्राफिस का ग्रो ऑन द बार्क ट्रीज। बी का वन यानी कि डर्मेटो कार्पोन का फर्स्ट ग्रो ऑन स्टोन्स और रॉक्स। सी का थर्ड क्लेडोनिया का थर्ड यानी कि ग्रो ऑन सॉइल। Which of the curve shows how oxygen is loaded and unloaded due to partial pressure? Answer C. Bohr's curve. Deficiency in the activity of adrenal cortex leads to answer A. Under secretion of adrenocorticoids, hypocorticism. Each one of the following is a possibility for most of us in regard to breathing by making a conscious effort. Answer B. One can breathe out air through statuine tube by closing both the nose and the mouth. Type of flower and pollination that is observed in the given plant is. Answer D. Flower 1 is Chasmogamous and undergoes cross pollination. Flower 2 is Christogamous and undergoes सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन। ये क्वेश्चन जो है रिपीट कर चुका है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में। द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ फ्यूनेरिया गैमेटोफाइट ऑलवेज इनिशिएटेड फ्रॉम आंसर बी प्रोटोनीमा। माइक्रोस्पोरेंजिया ऑफ साइकस इज फॉर्म्ड आंसर ए एबैक्सियली ऑन द मिडिल पोर्शन ऑफ माइक्रोस्पोरोफिल। If the seedlings are grown in darkness, they are taller than those grown in light. Statement 1. The largely tropical Amazonian rainforest in North America has the greatest biodiversity on earth। यहाँ पे साउथ अमेरिका होगा इसलिए गलत है। अमेजन फॉरेस्ट इज द होम टू मोर वर्टिब्रेट्स देन इनवर्टिब्रेट्स, ये गलत है, इसका उल्टा सही होगा, इसलिए आंसर बी होगा, बोथ स्टेटमेंट्स आर फॉल्स। हाईएस्ट एंड लोवेस्ट पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया इज, आंसर बी, यूपी में हाईएस्ट और सिक्किम में लोवेस्ट। ड्यू टू नॉन disjunction of chromosomes during spermatogenesis, sperms carry both sex chromosomes 22A plus XY, and some sperms do not carry any sex chromosome 22A plus GO. If these sperms fertilize normal X 22A plus X, what types of genetic disorder appear among the offspring? Answer A, Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome. The fungus that may cause disease in human beings is, answer B, Aspergillus, respiratory affect करता है। Question number 20. The which of the following blocks the entry of additional sperm once a single sperm cell encounters ova? Answer D, Zona pellucida. Four daughter cells formed after meiosis are, answer B, genetically different. Four daughters, 2023, in ecological succession, answer A, species response and community response will be observed. The scapula is a large triangular flat bone situated in the dorsal part of the thorax between the, answer D, second and seventh rib. In 1984, Bhopal gas tragedy took place because methyl isocyanate, answer D, reacted with water. In Drosophila, a gene for white eye mutation is also responsible for depigmentation of body parts. Thus, a gene represents, answer D, pleiotropic gene. In the longitudinal section of a root, starting from the tip upward, the four zones occur in the following order. Answer A, root cap, cell division, cell enlargement, cell maturation. Next. Tropic movement is due to, answer A, cell elongation. The Indian population was approximately 350 million at the time of independence. Match the digits in column 1 with the appropriate items. पैथोजेन प्रिवेंशन और ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में है, तो यहाँ पे आंसर इसका डी होगा, ए का सेकेंड यानी अमेबियोसिस का सेकेंड यानी कि यूज ओनली स्टेरलाइट फूड एंड वाटर, ये प्रिवेंशन है। बी का थर्ड यानी डिप्थेरिया का इसका वैक्सीन है, डीपीटी वैक्सीन। सी का फोर यानी कोलरा का यूज ओरल रिहाइड्रेशन थेरेपी। और डी का फर्स्ट यानी सिल्फिस का फर्स्ट यानी ट्रिपोनेमा पैलिडम। Based on the different reasons for conserving biodiversity, choose the incorrect one from the following. आंसर हमारा सी होगा, the benefits of pollination are argued as a reason through the narrowly utilitarian approach, ये हमारा गलत है, broadly होगा, बाकी सारे सही हैं। Sickle cell anemia is favored by nature in a malaria prone area. Which of the following category will be favored and what type of selection is it? Answer C, heterozygous female balancing selection. An improved variety of transgenic basmati rice, answer A, gives high yield and is rich in vitamin A. Membrane bound organelles are absent in, answer B, streptococcus. The lock and key model of enzyme action illustrates that a particular enzyme molecule interacts with a specific type of substrate molecule. Deficiency of which of the following can cause yellowing of intravenous region of lips? Answer B, potassium. In erythroblastosis fetalis, answer B, Rh antibodies pass from the Rh negative mother into the Rh positive baby through the placenta. Pineapple fruit develops from answer D, a cluster of compactly bound flowers on a common axis. In the given surgical method below, which of the following statement is incorrect? Answer C, small incision is made through the uterus. The cell of the quiescent center are in answer C, genophage. The Hardy-Weinberg principle cannot operate if answer B, frequent mutations occur in the population. Which statement is not related to S-shaped population curve? Answer D, both A and C. And environmental resistance suddenly becomes effective और C यहाँ पे है mass mortality and population crash occurs. Hydra is a freshwater form, radially symmetrical and diploblastic animal. Green regulation, gene regulation governing lactose operon of E. coli that involves the lack one gene product is answer B, negative and inducible because repressor protein prevents transcription. Which of one of the following statements is correct regarding blood pressure? Answer D, 150 by 90 mm Hg is considered high and required treatment. The order of occurrence of the cytochromes in the F1 particles is answer A, cytochrome B, then cytochrome C, then cytochrome A, cytochrome A3. Match the items in the column 1 and 2 and choose the correct option. आंसर सी ए का 3 होगा यहाँ पे, यानी कि एक्सरे रेडियोग्राफी रूंटगेन एंजियोप्लास्टी कोरोनरी एथरोस्क्लेरोसिस ल्यूकेमिया हेमोपोएटिक सेल्स और एलाइजा एंटीजन एंटीबॉडी इंट्रैक्शन. A population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium for a gene with only two alleles. If the gene frequency of an allele A is 0.7, genotype frequency of capital A small a is answer B, 0.42. Up the given figure shows longitudinal section of the seed of maize. What do A, B, C and D represent? आंसर सी ए है जो इनोस्पर्म, बी स्कूटेलम, सी रेडिकल, डी कोलियोराइजा. Which of the following statements is true? Answer C, non-myelinated nerve fiber do not possess node of Ranvier. The value of osmotic potential pi and pressure potential rho of cells A, B, C are given below. Okay. यहाँ पे कर identify the correct sequence that shows the path of water movement from among the following. आंसर हमारा यहाँ पे होगा B, B to D, then A to then C. यहाँ psi W equal to psi S plus psi P करेंगे. The movement of water occurs from low dPd cell to high dPd cell होंगे. Consider the diagram given below and choose the correct option. आंसर यहाँ पे हमारा होगा D. स्ट्रक्चर जो D है हमारा यहाँ पे वो बल्बो यूरेथ्रल ग्लैंड है. फंक्शन जो है लुब्रिकेशन ऑफ पेनिस. Plasmogame is fusion of answer B, two haploid cells without nuclear division. The sudden mass killing of fishes is likely to be seen in a eutrophic lake. Which of these processes are necessary for the complete development of male gametophyte from pollen mother cell? Answer A, one meiotic division and two mitotic divisions. Lichens are symbiotic associations between the fungus and algae. Most of these lichens consist of answer D, blue-green algae and Ascomycetes. E. core are first always cut DNA molecules at a particular point by recognizing a specific sequence between answer A, G and A. Which of the following statements regarding universal rules of nomenclature is wrong? Answer B, sorry D, biological names are generally in Greek and written in italics is wrong. Which of the following hydrolyzes internal phosphodiester bonds in a polynucleotide chain? Answer C. Endonuclease. In the lactose operon of E. coli, what is function of promoter? Answer B. Binding of RNA polymerase. Biochemical oxygen demand may not be good index of population for water bodies receiving effluents from. Answer C. Petroleum industry. In human body, the role of bile salts in the digestion is to. Answer B. Emulsify fats and facilitate their absorption. Read the following statements carefully. यहाँ पूछ रहा है हाउ मेनी स्टेटमेंट्स आर इनकरेक्ट। आंसर हमारे यहाँ पे होगा 2। यहाँ पे जो है स्टेटमेंट डी एंड ई जो है वो करेक्ट है, बाकी फॉल्स है। डी यहाँ पे कह रहा है क्वासी फ्लूइड नेचर ऑफ लिपिड इनेबल्स द लेटरल मूवमेंट ऑफ प्रोटीन विद इन द ओवरऑल लिपिड बाइलेयर ऑफ द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन। और ई यहाँ पे है मिडल लैमेला glues the different neighboring cell together. Dough kept overnight in warm weather because soft and becomes soft and spongy because of. Answer D. Fermentation. Which one of the following is a viral disease of poultry farm? Answer A. Bird flu. An organism with two identical alleles for a given trait is. Answer A. Homozygous. Radial symmetrical diploblastic, the cellular level of organization, digestion is intracellular only. Exhibit two basic body forms, polyp and medusa. How many points are correct about ovelia? Answer B. 3 जो पॉइंट थे वो ओवेलिया के लिए सही हैं। Which of the following protein is produced by genetic engineering as a cure for disease like emphysema? Answer A. Alpha 1 antitrypsin. Which of the following is considered as the sugar factory of the cell? Answer A. Chloroplast. What will be the linkage strength present between two genes A and B which are 6 centimorgan far from each other on a chromosome? Answer C. 94%. Which of the following is an example of negative feedback loop in humans? Answer D. Uh, Constriction of a skin, blood vessel, and contraction of a skeletal muscle when it's too cold. Choose the wrong statement. Answer B. Morels and truffles are poisonous mushroom. ये गलत है, दोनों edible होते हैं. The sperm produces substances of enzymatic nature called sperm lysine in mammals. It is called. Answer A. Hyaluronidase. Which setup of translation does not consume a high energy phosphate bond? Answer A. Translocation. Which of the following is not euricotelic? Answer D. Frog. Endothecium layer of anther lobes is present. Answer B. Just inside the epidermis. Agarose extracted from seaweeds finds use in. Answer D. Gel electrophoresis. Stalk with which ovules remain attached to the placenta is called. Answer A. Funicle. The four sketches A, B, C and D given below represent four different types of animal tissues. Which one of these is correctly identified in the options given along with its correct location and function? Answer D, यानी कि कंपाउंड इपिथेलियम यहाँ पे D है और लोकेशन स्किन, फंक्शन प्रोटेक्शन. सीडलेस बनाना इज अ पार्थेनोकार्पिक fruit. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Answer D. Enucleated condition is found in phloem parenchyma. Potato and sweet potato. Answer B. Have edible parts which are analogous organ. Which of the following is the correct representation of detritus food chain? Answer A. Detritus dead organic matter, then detrivores, उसके बाद decomposers. The treatment of a snake bite by antivenin is an example of. Answer B. Artificially acquired passive immunity. Name the ion responsible for the unmasking of active sites for myosin for cross bridge activity during muscle contraction. Answer A. Calcium. Eutrophication of water bodies leading to killing of fishes is mainly due to non-availability of answer C. Oxygen. Pollination in water hyacinth is through answer C. Insects and Demophilus. Electrons from excited chlorophyll molecule of photosystem second are first accepted by answer C. Plastoquinone. Which of the following muscular disorders is inherited? Answer B. Muscular dystrophy. Last question of bio. Which of the following enzyme is produced by yeast during fermentation? Answer B. Gymase. ओके तो ये सारे थे बायो के क्वेश्चंस। अब आते हैं केमिस्ट्री देना आएंगे बायो पे, सॉरी फिजिक्स पे। वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर देना। ओके फर्स्ट, a buffer solution can be prepared from a mixture of answer 1 to 3 यानी कि sodium acetate and acetic acid in water, excess sodium acetate and hydrochloric acid in water, or ammonia and ammonium chloride in water. The powdered ore is agitated with water or washed with running stream of water. The heavy ore particles and lighter impurities are separated. This method of concentration is known as answer C, gravity separation. Powdered substances are more effective adsorbents than their crystalline form because answer C, the extent of adsorption increases with increases in surface area of the adsorbent. 1.4 moles of phosphorus trichloride are present in a sample. How many atoms are there in the sample? Answer D, 3.372 into 10 to the power 24. A piston filled with 0.04 mole of an ideal gas expands reversibly from 50 ml to 375 ml at a constant temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. As it does so, it absorbs 208 joule of heat. The values of Q and W of the process will be answer A, Q equal to plus 208 joule, W equal to minus 208 joule. What will be the temperature at which a solution containing 6 gram of glucose per 1000 gram water and boil if molar elevation constant for water is 0.52 Kelvin kilogram per mole? Answer B, 100.0173 degrees Celsius. What will be the uncertainty in the velocity of electrons when the uncertainty in its position is 1000 angstrom? Answer A, 5.7 and 10 to the power 2 meter per second. Correct representation of 3 methyl pent 3 in 2-ol is answer A. In K. Geldard's methods of estimation of nitrogen, nitrogen is quantitatively converted to ammonium sulfate. It is then treated with standard solution of alkali. The nitrogen which is present is estimated as answer C, NH3 ammonia. Calcium chloride is used as a dehydrating agent because answer A, it has a strong affinity for water. An element P has atomic number 56. What will be the formula of its halide? Answer B, PX2. Complete the following reaction RCOOH P2O5 and heat. Answer A, acid anhydride. Which of the following does not show similarity between boron and aluminium? Answer C, hydroxides of both the elements are basic in nature. Examples of few solids are given below. Find out the examples which is not correctly matched. Answer B, covalent solids H2I2. 15. A standard hydrogen electrode has a zero potential because answer C, the electrode potential assumed to be zero. Two atoms X and Y are non-polar and electrically symmetrical. What type of intermolecular force of attraction can be developed between them? Answer B. London force or dispersion forces. In NH3 synthesis by Haber's process, what is the effect on the rate of the reaction with the addition of MO and CO respectively? यहाँ पे करेक्शन है, एमओ यहाँ मोलिब्डेनम होगा और CO जो यहाँ पे स्मॉल ओ होगा यानी कि कोबाल्ट। आंसर है इंक्रीजेज एंड डिक्रीजेज। नेक्स्ट, for the reaction N2 plus O2 gives 2NO, the value of Kc at 800 Celsius is 0.1. What is the value of Kp at this temperature? ये जो क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे 17 वहाँ यहाँ पे वेरीफाई करना कि कोबाल्ट है या कार्बन ऑक्साइड है। ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑप्शन जो डी है यहाँ पे कोबाल्ट दिया हुआ है, वहाँ पे कार्बन ऑक्साइड दिया हुआ है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 देखते हैं फिर से। फॉर द रिएक्शन N2 plus O2 gives 2NO, the value of Kc at 800 Celsius is 0.1. What is the value of Kp at this temperature? Answer D, 0.1. 19. Equilibrium constant K is related to E naught cell and not E cell because answer B, E cell becomes 0 at equilibrium point but E naught cell remains constant under all conditions. In which of the following Tyndall effect is not observed? Answer C, sugar solution. Rate constant of two reactions are given below. Identify their order of reaction. तो यहाँ पे यूनिट से ही पता कर सकते हैं। यहाँ लीटर पर मोल पर सेकेंड है तो सेकेंड ऑर्डर होगा और पर सेकेंड है तो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर होगा। आंसर ए। Solubility of substance is its maximum amount that can be dissolved in a specified amount of solvent. It depends on, आंसर हमारा होगा डी यानी कि सारे 1 2 3 4 सारे, नेचर ऑफ सॉल्यूट, नेचर ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर। If we plot volume of certain mass of a gas against temperature at constant pressure, we get a straight line intersecting on the negative side at minus 273 degrees Celsius, which explains about absolute zero. This graph is known as, आंसर यहाँ पे D होगा, isobar. Which of the following is not an allylic halide? Answer D, 4-bromo-but-1-ene. Ziegler-Natta catalyst is used to prepare, answer C, high density polythene. Which of the following is a disproportionation reaction? Answer A, Cl2 plus OH minus gives ClO minus plus Cl minus plus H2O. यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन दोनों हो रहा है क्लोरीन का। ओके, Which of the following is not a characteristic of alcohol? Answer C, lower members are insoluble in water and organic solvents but solubility regularly increases with molecular mass. Lower members जो होते हैं वो soluble होते हैं वाटर से और regularly decrease with increase in molecular mass होते हैं। Which of the following complexes are not correctly matched with hybridization of the their central मेटल आयन? तो यहाँ पे आंसर होगा 2 3 4 जो है वो नॉट करेक्टली है। यहाँ पे हमारा एक्सप्लेनेशन है NiCO होल 4 sp3, NiCO होल 4 2 माइनस DsP2 होगा और COF6 3 माइनस sp3 D2 और FeCN होल 6 3 माइनस D2 sp3 होंगे स्ट्रॉन्ग फील्ड और वीक फील्ड एलिमेंट से के अनुसार। यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल करके रीड कर लेते हैं। बेंजल्डिहाइड कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम बेंजीन बाय पासिंग वेपर्स ऑफ CO and HCl in its solution in presence of catalyst mixture of aluminum chloride and cuprous chloride. The reaction is known as Gutterman-Koch reaction. The above change can be effected by, answer D, only second यानी कि AgNH3 whole twice OH. Only tolerance reagent can bring about oxidation of aldehyde into acid without affecting carbon-carbon double bond. An AB solid has CSCl type of structure where A occupies corner. If the atoms from corners along one of the body diagonal are removed, the formula of the solid would be, answer C, A3B4. One word answer is given for the following definitions. Mark the one which is incorrect. तो आंसर हमारा ए होगा। The process in which temperature remains constant, आइसोबारिक नहीं आइसोथर्मल होते हैं। और बी सी डी सही है। द प्रोसेस इन विच वॉल्यूम रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, आइसोकोरिक। द रिलेशन बिटवीन डेल्टा H and delta E when all the reactants are products and products are solid, delta H equal to delta E. The relation between delta G, delta H and delta S is to delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S. Which type of interactions are responsible for making the alpha helix structure stable? Answer B. Hydrogen bonds between NH and amino acid in one turn with CO of amino acid to adjacent turn. Yellow colored aqueous solution of sodium chromate changes to orange when acidified with sulfuric acid because answer A. H plus ions convert chromate ions to dichromate ions. Fe3 plus compounds are more stable than Fe2 plus compounds because answer B. Fe3 plus has 3d5 configuration half filled. Which of the following is not a structure of nitromethane molecule? Answer D. Or here explanation. Arrange the following compounds in increasing order of their activity in nucleophilic addition reactions. इथेनॉल, प्रोपेनॉल, प्रोपेनॉन और ब्यूटेनॉन. आंसर हमारा ए होगा, यानी कि ब्यूटेनॉन सबसे कम, उसके बाद प्रोपेनॉन, देन प्रोपेनॉल, देन इथेनॉल. What mass of hydrochloric acid is needed to decompose 50 gram of limestone? Answer A. 36.5 gram. The value of BOD of highly polluted water is answer A. More than 17 parts per million. Which of the following primary and secondary valencies are not correctly marked against the compound? P प्राइमरी वैलेंसी, S सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी है. आंसर हमारा डी होगा. यहाँ पे जो डी है वो इनकरेक्ट है, यानी कि प्राइमरी वैलेंसी 4 और सेकेंडरी 4 यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, बाकी सारे सही हैं. द स्ट्रक्चर गिवन बिलो इज नोन एज. आंसर हमारा सी होगा, क्लोरएम्फेनिकोल. ओके, नेक्स्ट. If one strand of DNA has the sequence this, the sequence in the complementary strand क्या होगा? आंसर डी होगा, TACGAACT. What is the lowest value of N that allows G orbital to exist? Answer D, 5. The shape of water molecule which should be tetrahedral has a bent or distorted tetrahedral shape with a Board angle 104.5 degree. What could be the reason for this? Answer A. Lone pair repulsion is more than lone pair bond pair repulsion. For the reaction given below, identify X in the reaction. आंसर हमारे यहाँ C होगा, ओजोन और ZnH2O. ये सारे रहे हमारे केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन. वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर लेना. आते हैं फिजिक्स में. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखते हैं फिजिक्स का. यहाँ पे the radius of the 2He4 nucleus is 3 Fermi. The radius of Pb 20682 is answer C, 11.16 Fermi. Energy E of hydrogen atom with principal quantum number n is given by E equal to minus 13.6 by n square electron volt. The energy of a photon ejected when the electron jumps from n equal to 3 state to n equal to 2 state of hydrogen is approximately answer D, 1.9 electron volt. A body of mass capital M hits normally a rigid wall with velocity v and bounces back with the same velocity. The impulse experienced by the body is answer C, 2mv. Two bodies of masses 2 kg and 4 kg are moving with velocities 20 meter per second and 10 meter per second towards each other due to mutual gravitational attraction. The velocity of their center of mass is answer D, 0. A 1 kg stone at the end of 1 meter long string is whirled in a vertical circle at constant speed of 4 meter per second. The tension in the string is 6 Newton when the stone is at answer A, top of the circle. A car is moving with speed 20 meter per second on a circular path of radius 100 meter. Its speed is increasing at the rate of 3 meter per second square. The magnitude of acceleration of the car at that moment is answer D 5 meter per second square. A steady current is set up in a metallic wire of non-uniform cross section. The rate of flow of electrons related to the area of cross section A. Answer A, R is directly proportional to A to the power minus 1. The VI graph for a wire of copper of length L and cross section area A is shown in the figure below. The slope of the graph will be answer C, double if the length of the wire is doubled. If the cyclotron oscillator frequency is 16 megahertz, then what should be the operating magnetic field of the accelerating the proton of mass 1.67 10 to the power minus 27 kg? Answer A 1.334 pi t. If a magnet is plugged into a coil, then the magnitude of induced EMF does not depend upon the resistance of the coil. Two identical capacitors have the same capacitance C. One of them is charged to potential V1 and the other to V2. The negative ends of capacitors are connected together when the positive ends are also connected. The decrease in energy of the combined system is answer C, C by 4 into V1 minus V2 का whole square. In the circuit below, the potential difference between A and B is answer A 10 volt. The time period of satellite of Earth is 5 hours. If the separation between the Earth and the satellite is increased to 4 times the previous value, the new time period will become answer A 40 hours. A spherical uniform planet is rotating about its axis. The velocity of a point on its equator is v due to the rotation of the planet about its axis. The acceleration due to gravity g at equator is 1 by 2 of g at poles. The escape velocity of a particle on the planet in terms of v from the pole of the planet is answer A v equal to 2 volt. A black body is at a temperature of 2880 Kelvin. The energy of radiation emitted by this object with wavelength between 499 nanometer and 500 nanometer is U1, between 999 nanometer and 1000 nanometer is U2, and between 1499 nanometer and 1500 nanometer is U3. Wiens constant B equal to 2.88 into 10 to the power 6 nanometer Kelvin. Then answer D, U2 is greater than U1. In Carnot engine, efficiency is 40% at hot reservoir temperature T. For efficiency 50%, what will be the temperature of hot reservoir? Answer C, 6T by 5. Next. In a refrigerator, the low temperature coil of evaporator is at minus 23 degrees Celsius and the compressed gas is in the condenser has a temperature of 77 degrees Celsius. The amount of electrical energy spent in freezing 1 kg of water at 0 degrees Celsius is answer A 134400 joule. Next. 18. A current I flows along the length of an infinite long straight thin walled pipe. Then answer B. The magnetic field at any point inside the pipe is 0. The cyclotron frequency of an electron moving in a magnetic field of 1 Tesla is approximately assume no relativistic effect. Answer D 28 gigahertz. Magnetic susceptibility for a paramagnetic and diamagnetic material is respectively answer C small positive and a small negative. If a ball is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity of 40 meter per second, then the velocity of the uh, ball after 2 seconds will be answer B 20 meter per second. The horizontal range and maximum height attained by a projectile are r and h respectively. If a constant horizontal acceleration a equal to g by 4 is imparted to the projectile due to wind, then its horizontal range and maximum height will be answer D R plus H and H. 23. A sphere of mass m is rolling without sliding along positive x-axis on a rough horizontal surface of coefficient of friction mu. It elastically collides with the wall and then returns. The correct statement of frictional force F acting on the sphere is answer B. F equal to 0 before collision and F equal to plus mu mg I cap after collision, and this is explanation. 24. As shown in the figure, the tension in the horizontal uh, cord is 30 Newton, the weight W and tension in the string OA in Newton are. Answer B, uh, 30 root 3 and 60. A radioactive nucleus, initial mass number A and atomic number Z, emits 3 alpha particles and 2 positrons. The ratio of number of neutrons to that of protons in the final nucleus will be answer C, A minus Z minus 4 by Z minus 8. A nucleus of PO 21084 originally at rest emits an alpha particle with a speed v. What will be the recoil speed of the daughter nucleus? Answer A, 4v by 206. The minimum time taken by spring block system having time period t to travel a distance equal to amplitude of motion is equal to answer B, t by 6. Two springs are joined and attached to a mass of 16 kg. The system is then suspended vertically from a rigid support. The spring constant of the two springs are K1 and K2 respectively. The time period of vertical oscillation of the system will be answer A, 8 pi under root K1 plus K2 by K1 into K2. The photoelectric threshold frequency of a metal is V. When light of frequency 4V is incident on the metal, the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted photoelectrons is answer B, 3 h nu. Time taken by a photoelectron to come out after the photon strikes is approximately answer C, 10 to power minus 10 second. A body of mass m equal to 10 kg is attached to a wire of length 0.3 meter. The maximum angular velocity with which it can be rotated in a horizontal circle is breaking stress of wire जो है वो 4.8 into 10 मीटर न्यूटन मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर पर स्क्वायर एंड एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन 10 to power minus 6 मीटर स्क्वायर. आंसर ए 4 रेडियन पर सेकंड. Two bodies are in equilibrium when suspended in water from the arms of the balance. The mass of one body is 36 gram and its density is 9 gram per cm cube. If the mass of the other is 48 gram, its density in gram per centimeter cube is answer C, 3. The magnifying power of a telescope is 9 when it is adjusted for parallel rays. The distance between the objective and the eyepiece is found to be 20 centimeter. The focal length of the lenses are answer A, 18 centimeter and 2 centimeter. A prism has a refracting angle of 60 degree when placed in the position of minimum deviation. It produces a deviation of 30 degree. The angle of incidence is answer B, 45 degree. The velocities are in ground frame and the cylinder is performing pure rolling on the plank. Velocity of point A would be answer B, 2 Vc minus Vp. A particle is at a distance r from the axis of rotation. A given torque tau produces some angular accretion in it. If the mass of the particle is doubled and its distance from the axis is halved, the value of torque to produce the same angular acceleration is answer A, tau by 2. Consider the junction diode as ideal. The value of current flowing through AB is answer B 10 to power minus 2 ampere. 38. Which logic gate is represented by the following logic gates? Answer C and. Two liquids A and B are at 32 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius when mixed in equal masses. The temperature of mixture is found to be 28 degrees Celsius. Their specific heats are in the ratio answer C 1 is to 1. If x equal to a cross b and delta x and delta a and delta b are maximum absolute errors in x a and b respectively, then the maximum relative error in x is given by answer D delta x by x equal to delta a by a plus delta b by b. For an interference pattern, the maximum and minimum intensity ratio is 64 is to 1. Then what will be the ratio of amplitudes? Answer B 9 is to 7. In Young's double slit experiment, slits are separated by 2 mm and the screen is placed at a distance of 1.2 meter from the slits. Light consisting of two wavelengths 6500 angstrom and 5200 angstrom are used to obtain interference fringes. Then the separation between the force bright fringes of the two different patterns produced by two wavelengths is answer A 0.312 nanometer millimeter sorry. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 द पाथ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू वेव्स दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे y1 यहाँ पे y1 दिया हुआ है और y2 पाथ डिफरेंस होगा b लेमडा इंटू 5 प्लस पाई बाई 2 पाई. 44 if n1 n2 and n3 are the fundamental frequencies of three segments into which a string is divided, then the original fundamental frequency n of the string is given by answer A 1 by n equal to 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2 plus 1 by n3. Last question of physics. Work done by static friction on an object, answer A may be positive. ओके तो यहाँ पे ये सारे थे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और बायो के एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 62 के सारे क्वेश्चंस. एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट के सारे पीडीएफ अवेलेबल हैं, उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर ले. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे.